There is a complete video on the channel where we have discussed getting the BMW G310R serviced from the authorized service center and their charges. If I remember correctly, then the authorized BMW service station will charge you close to 1000 rupees for cleaning, adjusting and lubricating the drive chain. And this is the case with most of the manufacturers, where a lot of us feel that we are getting overcharged for the drive chain maintenance. Considering this has to be done in every 500 to 1000 kilometers, I took things in my hand, and this is the third time I am doing the drive chain maintenance on the G310R, where I have noted and added some additional points and tricks to make this easier for everyone. First things first, you have to do this on a cold engine with the engine switched off and the gearbox in neutral. I said cold engine especially because of the reversed inclined engine on the G310R, where the exhaust bend pipe is just behind the chain drive. And any kind of combustible spills on the hot exhaust bend pipe can transform this from an internal combustion engine to a one-time external combustion machine. The G310R misses out on the center stand, so the paddock stand from the Grand Pit stop was put to use. I have this for almost 4 years now and it is still holding well. However, I had to make additional drills on the adjusters to accommodate the wider swing arm on the G310R. And now it is effortlessly airlifting the G310R. With the rear wheel up, I prefer to start this by removing the belly pan, as a lot of sludge and dirt deposit from the cleaning process gets deposited on the belly pan. If you plan to wash your motorcycle after cleaning the chain, then you can totally skip this. This underbody panel is secured by 4 12mm lock nuts, which are easy to access. My other reason for removing this panel is to use a trim restorer on it. Let me know if you want a video of it. Next comes the sprocket cover, which is secured by 3 5mm hex bolts. 2 bolts are at the top and 1 is at the bottom. With all the 3 bolts out, the sprocket cover is out from our way. All these deposits on the sprocket cover will be cleaned before installing back. So let's begin the chain cleaning process. This time I am using the universal cleaning spray from Adhesive, which has got a good penetration as it dissolves and loosens up the sludge and deposits on the chain. A friend of mine is helping me here to rotate the rear tire for the complete application of the cleaner. I am also using his toothbrush to agitate the cleaning process. And yes, I totally agree with those 9 out of 10 dentists who recommend Oral-B for the complete hygiene of your drive chain. After this, the chain was wiped clean, followed by the second round of Adhesive cleaner and brush combo, which gave amazing results. Another tip here is to not miss out on cleaning the chain slider and roller, followed by the front and rear sprockets. I did observe that this universal cleaner degreases and dries up quick, so you don't need to wait much to begin with the lubrication. I personally prefer chain lubricants with sticky formulation during monsoon, as they stick to the chain links and rollers with a layer of protection from corrosion and rust. I got this Adhesive cleaner and chain lubricant as a combo for this job, where the adhesive chain spray has got the right balance of stickiness as it does not get gummy and become dust magnet. Although monsoon is not the right season to comment on the dust part, but you can see its performance after 600 kilometers with no sign of rust or corrosion spots. I also prefer this long reach nozzle, which makes the job really easy and mess free. This complete process is a satisfactory experience for me, as I consider this as a well spent Sunday afternoon. Let me know in the comments if we have this in common, that a clean and shiny chain drive always excites me to take this blackbird out on a flight. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.